What are we gonna do now? Like, the other guys are there.
Meet us on the kill floor.
Oh shit, now.
20. Should have killed Donnie too in the woods. Had a clear shot I didn't miss.
That's one of the first times someone shot and missed with a shot on fucking Walking Dead though.
Just killed him. Don't think about it. I can't stop. We're almost done.
Oh, mate.
Careful. Floor's slippery. You sure that's it? It's the kill floor. Hey, this one's locked.
Oh shit! Holy fuck! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god!
Fucking
What the hell?
brutal.
That is just like that is brutal. That's just furnace. Holy shit!
Oh,
Oh
hearing that
my
as well.
god!
Hearing someone being burnt alive. Oh man.
Fuck!
They're just as bad as the survivors now.
I think they really are just like
like
Jesus! Oh my god!
essentially merciless sometimes.